Gagawin ko lahat ng talent nila.
Isa pala gagawin.
I know to myself
Malago yan naman
that
eh,
I'm a singer, but I will
Makakayo mo.
to give. I dedicate this song to everyone who is not true to
Yaman
themselves,
ito.
who are still hiding their identity, and who is still hiding inside the closet. Because we celebrated last month June, Pride Month. I believe that every one of us are being accepted nowadays. That's why I'm going to sing a song, Reflection by Lea Salonga.
Wow.
Wait lang tayo, wala pang lyrics. Kasi no, di ba gumagana yung solar? Okay na.
Covers PH.
Wala ka dyan.